Hello, my name's Asher Dowson from L-Acoustics. We're here at InfoComm 2026, where we're showing a bunch of new innovation across our entire ecosystem and our workflows, including the newly released vocal enhancement technology, Source Intelligence. Source Intelligence is a real-time machine learning-based algorithm to eradicate any noise from a vocal channel. It runs in real time on the ELISA Processor 2 platform, now able to be licensed in whichever flavor you'd like by becoming the ELISA Processor 2 core. It's available to subscribe if you are a direct customer of ours on All Access, our website. And if you are not a direct customer of ours, one of our CPIs or CPDs can refer you and you can get subscribed and start exploring it today. It's out on tour together with Rosalia, with Bruno Mars, Harry Styles, and it's really changing the game for Broadway, House of Worship, and a bunch of different applications where source is paramount and the vocal is the primary source. So please visit L-Acoustics.com, find out more today, get in contact with your L-Acoustics representative, and explore what L-Acoustics Source Intelligence can do for you. Thank you.